Mechanic, I'm hearing a knocking sound again.
Knocking sound. I must on I bolt them crack.
Bolt, crack. So where me can get quality bolts? So this not happen again.
Well, you can check out First Stop Nuts and Bolts Limited, 109 Walton Park Road.
First stop, bolts and nuts. Thanks, that's soon come.
Frustrated with weak, unreliable hardware? Say goodbye to breakdowns and hello to First Stop Bolts and Nuts Limited. From the tiniest screws to the toughest bolts, we've got exactly what you need to build stronger, repair smarter, and work better. Located at 109 Walton Park Road, Kingston, we provide top quality hardware at unbeatable prices. Don't settle for second best. Make First Stop your only stop. Visit us today.